Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing when your PS4 controllers turn off after inactivity. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and move to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down and select Power Save Settings. Now select Set Time until controllers turn off. Choose the time frame you want and tap X to confirm. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.